What's good, guys? Ron's Rides. This is gonna be a quick video, but an important one, because the people who are searching this video are gonna want to get straight to the point. I'm just gonna make it kind of straight to the point, and hopefully not hold you guys for too long. But what we are doing is, you guys obviously know I work at Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach. I am taking my car in for a second year service. Your second year service is at either 24,000 miles or your second annual year buying the car. So normally how the services work are they're every year or every 12,500 miles. In my case, it's the second year that actually hit of me having it. Another 365 days have gone by. I say this because I only have 18,000 miles on it, not 24,000. So since I am under the mile range, I still need to get my services done because things age. They have a time limit on them. So no matter if I let the car sit and it only had 1,000 miles, I would still need to get things checked and replaced. Now, not everything would be replaced, obviously, because some things are wear and tear. But in this case, I have been using the car, so it hasn't been sitting. So things are gonna get replaced. So I'm gonna pull in. I'm gonna leave the car here, or leave the car at the dealership while I work, and then I'll grab the car on my way out. And then we'll go from there because I'll find out the price and let you guys know what it costs. I may have somewhat of a discount being an employee, but I'm not sure yet because it just kicked in, my employment. And the reason why I have the camera so low is because there are two state troopers in front of me. So we're not gonna get caught vlogging and driving, but let's go, guys. So as you can see, I have the key that is sitting there letting me know my maintenance is overdue, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So now we're gonna pull in and get this taken care of while I'm at work. It always seems to be a gloomy ass day. Every time I take my car in for service or get something done where I have to spend money, it's gloomy. Maybe that's just how it works. Oh, we have a Dodge Demon sitting in here. Because I have a Porsche as well and another Ghibli. So here we go, guys. Let's get it done. All right, guys, heading back to the car, getting out of work. As you can see, there's the tag. Here's the paperwork. I'm gonna throw my backpack in the back here because I'm just getting out. Got business cards on the ground there if you ever want some. Maybe I'll send them in like a giveaway or something. I don't know, you guys probably don't want one, but we'll see. Let's talk about the price of my service today. All right, now that we're in here, like I said, I want to get to the point. This is going to vary, but people are going to look this video up because they want to know around what they're paying for maintenance for these cars. What the second year service is it's another oil change and maybe a few other things like filters and stuff like that. So it's not, replacing your struts or your rotors or spark plugs, or you're checking your belts. There's nothing like that. So my first service was $350. Okay, and that was here at different dealerships. They're gonna vary. $350, okay, for my first service. For my second service, it was $255. Now you're wondering, what? That doesn't make sense. I did get a discount, so I got a $95 discount being an employee here. But regularly, what you would pay here at Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona is your second service is going to be somewhere around the ballpark as the same as the first service, which is $350, because they're essentially doing the same thing, oil change, and that's it. If your cabin filter is dirty, they'll replace that, which mine was, so that's it. But I did get my stuff at cost, so it was actually $255 instead of $350. So I did get a $95 discount, which is cool, but which is even better is it's just $350 for the second year service. I'm just saying this over and over so people know, they get it, because like I said, I just want to make sure I get it out there. Here's my proof. So I'm making sure that I cover up all the important information. I have it folded over. But this right here is what you see. And you can see that the synthetic oil and everything with the oil change, all that, $227. And then I had to replace the cabin filter and then install for that. And then you do see the discounts there as well piling up. But your total invoice, $255 for me, $350 for others. So your first service is the same price as your second annual service on these cars. So that said, hopefully you guys will see that in 2 years, your Maserati Ghibli will cost you the $700 for the services. Now that's just the services for annual service, oil change. For your tires and mounting and rotating and balancing, you know, that's a different story. You guys know that after all is said and done, that was $1,600. I did go for, you know, nice Pirelli summer tires, and I got them rotated, mounted, balanced, aligned, everything here, you know, so that's different as well. You may not get the summer tires, the more expensive ones. You may get the all seasons. You may not go with Pirellis, you know, so that is something to take into account too, as well as making sure that you can get those services done along with your tires and, you know, mounting and balance and all that kind of stuff. So it really depends on what you're going to be doing with the car, but these are services that are needed to be done in standard. You need tires, you need oil changes, you may need a few other things besides that. So make sure you have your money set aside. This is a different kind of video, a lot of talking, but wanted to get that information out there. So hopefully you guys found this informative. If you did, let me know. This is Ron's Rides. You gotta give the video a like so more people can find out about this change here. And definitely comment below, what do you think? If you think it's too much money, if you think it's a good price, if you think that I'm lucky because I get the discount. But definitely subscribe, guys, and come back for more Maserati Alfa Romeo videos. We got a lot more to tell you, a lot more to get out to you. So with that said, no more pesky little wrench down there. Finally, I do need to get some gas though, about under a quarter tank. But I am ready to get back on the road and not have that annoying beep. So let's get it going, guys. With that said, this is Ron's Rides. You guys take care. We will see you in the next one. Peace.